In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a shareable link in Google Drive. This is perfect when you want to quickly send a file to someone without attaching it to an email, or when you need to post a link in a chat, document, or project hub. First, sign into Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you're using the correct account that owns or has access to the file you want to share. If you don't see the file you expect, confirm you're in the right account and that you're in My Drive or the correct shared drive. Next, navigate to the folder that contains your file. You can click through your folder structure on the left or use the search bar at the top to find the file by name or type. Once you're in the right folder, locate the file or folder you want to share. You don't need to open it, just find it in the list. Right-click on the file or folder. A menu will appear. From that menu, select Share. This opens the sharing window where you control who can view, comment on, or edit the content, and whether the link works broadly or is limited. In the sharing window, look for the General Access section. This is where you choose between restricted and anyone with the link. Restricted means only specific people you've explicitly shared with can use the link. If someone forwards the link to others, those people won't be able to open it unless you grant access. Anyone with the link means that anyone who has the URL can open it, without you needing to add them individually. If you're using a work or school account, you may also see an option that limits access to people in your organization. Keep privacy in mind. Choose restricted for sensitive items, and use anyone with the link for broad, low-friction sharing. While you're here, confirm the permission level. You can typically set viewer to let people see the file, commenter to allow feedback on supported file types, or editor if you want others to make changes. For most link sharing, viewer is the safest default. When your general access and permission level look right, click Copy Link. Google Drive copies the shareable link to your clipboard and you'll see a quick confirmation. You can now paste that link into an email, message, or document. If you ever need to tighten access later, return to the same share window and switch general access back to restricted. That's it. Simple, fast, and secure when configured thoughtfully. Thanks for watching.